Episode 2 at a Café. Slow and Clear English Podcast. Beginner A1 A2.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow and Clear English.
Hi, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we will talk about a simple cafe conversation.
You will hear useful sentences for ordering drinks and food.
We will talk about tea, coffee, sandwiches, cake, menus, prices, and paying at a cafe.
This episode is for beginner English learners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully. You do not need to understand every word at first.
Just listen, follow the conversation, and repeat useful sentences after us.
Let's begin. Hi, Jack. This cafe looks nice.
Yes, it does. It looks warm and quiet.
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea. I like sitting near the window.
Me too. We can watch people walking outside.
And we can enjoy the sunlight.
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Sometimes I come here when I want to read, write, or relax.
It feels comfortable.
Yes, the chairs are nice, the tables are clean, and the music is soft.
That is important. I don't like cafes with very loud music.
Me neither. When the music is too loud, I cannot speak comfortably.
Exactly, a cafe should be calm.
Do you want to look at the menu?
Yes, please. Where is the menu?
Here it is. There is one menu on the table.
Thank you. Let me see.
What would you like to drink?
I'm not sure. I usually drink coffee, but today I want something softer.
Maybe a latte?
Yes, a latte sounds good.
A latte has coffee and milk.
Yes, it is not too strong.
Do you want sugar in your coffee?
No, thank you. I don't take sugar in my coffee.
That is good. I don't take sugar in my tea either.
What will you drink?
I will have hot tea.
Hot tea?
Yes, I like hot tea, especially when I want to relax.
Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do. I usually drink tea in the morning and in the afternoon.
That is a lot of tea.
Maybe, but I like it.
I understand. Coffee is like that for me.
Are you hungry?
A little. Are you hungry?
Yes, a little. I didn't eat much this morning.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe a cheese sandwich.
That sounds simple and good.
Yes, I don't want anything heavy.
Do they have cheese sandwiches?
Let's check the menu.
Here it is. Cheese sandwich, chicken sandwich, tomato sandwich, and egg sandwich.
I will have a cheese sandwich.
Do you want it hot or cold?
Hot, please. A hot cheese sandwich sounds nice.
Good choice.
What about you? What will you eat?
I want something sweet.
Of course you do.
Maybe chocolate cake?
Chocolate cake again?
Yes, chocolate cake is always a good idea.
It is almost lunchtime. Are you sure cake is enough?
Maybe not. Maybe I should order a sandwich too.
That would be better.
Okay, I will order one egg sandwich and one small slice of chocolate cake.
That sounds better.
Do you want to share the cake?
Maybe just one small bite.
Only one bite?
Yes, I want to be careful.
Okay, one small bite?
Should we order now?
Yes, excuse me.
Can we order, please?
I would like one latte, one egg sandwich, and one small slice of chocolate cake.
And I would like one hot tea and one hot cheese sandwich, please.
Thank you.
That was easy.
Yes, ordering in English can be simple.
You just need a few useful sentences.
For example, I would like a latte.
Or can we order, please?
Or could I have the menu, please?
Exactly. These sentences are polite and useful.
What is the difference between I want coffee and I would like coffee?
Good question. I want coffee is clear, but it can sound direct.
And I would like coffee sounds more polite?
Yes, in a cafe or restaurant, I would like is better.
So I should say, I would like a latte, please.
Perfect.
And if I don't understand the menu,
You can ask, what is this?
or what do you recommend?
Yes, that is a very useful question.
What do you recommend?
I recommend tea and a cheese sandwich.
Of course.
And you recommend coffee and cake.
Yes, always.
Look, our drinks are coming.
Great, thank you.
My tea is very hot.
Be careful.
Yes, I will wait a little.
My latte smells good.
Does it taste good?
Let me try. Yes, it tastes great. It is warm, soft, and not too strong.
Nice.
Do you want to try it?
No, thank you. I'm happy with my tea.
Your tea smells nice too.
Yes, it is simple black tea.
Simple things are sometimes the best.
I agree.
Here come the sandwiches.
Thank you.
Your cheese sandwich looks good.
Yes, the bread looks fresh.
Fresh bread is important.
Very important. A sandwich is better with fresh bread.
My egg sandwich looks good too.
Try it.
Okay, it is nice. It has egg, tomato, and lettuce.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, but the cake is not healthy.
That is okay. A small cake is fine sometimes.
Good, I like that answer.
Do you usually eat lunch at cafes?
Sometimes, but cafes can be expensive.
That is true.
When I go to a cafe every day, I spend too much money.
Yes, small payments become a lot of money.
Exactly. One coffee is not expensive, but one coffee every day is expensive.
That is a good sentence.
Thank you. I learned it from real life.
Do you prefer small cafes or big coffee chains?
I prefer small cafes.
Why?
They feel warmer and more personal.
I agree. Small cafes often have a nice atmosphere.
Atmosphere is a useful word.
Yes, it means the feeling of a place.
This cafe has a calm atmosphere,
Exactly.
and the service is friendly.
Yes, the staff are polite.
Can I say the staff is polite?
Yes, many people say that. You can also say the staff are polite.
Good to know.
Do you ever study English in cafes?
Sometimes I bring my notebook and write new words.
That is a good habit.
But sometimes I get distracted.
By your phone.
Yes, and by cake.
Cake is a serious distraction.
Very serious.
When I study in a cafe, I choose one small goal.
What kind of goal?
For example, today I will learn 5 new words.
That sounds possible.
Yes, small goals are easier.
Maybe today my goal is to learn cafe sentences.
Good idea.
Let's make a list. Can we order, please? I would like a latte, please. Could I have the menu, please? Can I pay by card? How much is it? These are very useful.
Yes, you can use them in many places.
Not only cafes.
Exactly. Restaurants, shops, airports, hotels.
English is easier when we learn real-life sentences.
Yes, grammar is important, but sentences are also important.
I agree.
Do you want the last bite of cake?
Yes, please.
I thought so.
This cake is very good.
Is it too sweet?
A little, but I like it.
I think one bite was enough for me.
More cake for me.
Exactly.
Should we pay now?
Yes, I need to leave soon.
Can we pay separately?
Yes, we can ask.
Excuse me, can we pay separately, please?
That is another useful sentence.
Yes, very useful.
I will pay by card.
I will pay by card too.
Do you ever carry cash?
Not often. I usually use my card.
Me too.
Okay, we paid.
That was a nice cafe visit.
Yes, good drinks, good food, and good English practice.
Exactly. A cafe is a great place to practice real-life English.
Next time, we can practice restaurant English
Good idea.
or shopping English.
Yes, there are many useful daily topics. Now let's review some useful sentences from today.
Repeat them slowly if you want.
Could I have the menu, please?
Can we order, please?
I would like a hot tea.
I would like a latte, please.
Do you want sugar?
No, thank you.
What do you recommend?
How much is it?
Can I pay by card?
Can we pay separately, please?
Very good. These sentences are useful in cafes, restaurants, and many other places.
Now answer a few simple questions.
Question 1. What would you like to drink?
You can say, I would like tea.
Or I would like coffee.
Question 2, are you hungry?
You can say, yes, I am.
Or no, I'm not.
Question 3. Can you pay by card?
You can say, yes, I can.
Or no, I can't.
Great job.
That's the end of today's cafe conversation.
Today, we learned useful English for cafes.
We practiced ordering drinks, ordering food, asking about the menu, and paying.
Try to use these sentences when you go to a cafe.
Listen to this episode again.
Repeat the sentences many times.
Do not speak fast.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.